Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making key lime pie bars. If you want to see how to make these with some homemade whipped cream, then stay tuned. For my recipe, you'll need graham cracker crumbs, the yolks from 3 eggs, brown sugar, melted butter, pumpkin pie spice, salt, sweetened condensed milk, 3 to 4 limes depending on how large your limes are, and some lime zest. First, mix together your graham cracker crumbs with your pumpkin pie spice. Add a pinch of salt and then mix together. Now add in the brown sugar and be sure to break up the pieces small enough so that it's well incorporated into the brown sugar, salt, and pumpkin pie spice. Next, pour in your melted butter. Then mix in to make sure it's well incorporated into your graham crackers. Pour your graham cracker mix into a parchment-lined baking pan. Spread the graham cracker crumbs as evenly as possible so that every area is level. Bake your graham cracker crust in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until lightly brown. Start working on the filling while your crust is baking. I started with the condensed milk first, but I recommend starting with the eggs first because it'll be easier to mix in. And this condensed milk can was just not having it with me today. I forgot to hit record when I added in the egg yolks, but they're in there. Now you'll see that the filling is a pale yellow color. Now pour in your lime juice. Key limes are ideal for this dessert, however, regular limes work great as well. Whisk everything together and then add in your salt and lime zest. Pour your filling into the cooled graham cracker crust. Spread your filling evenly and make sure it gets into all 4 corners of the pan. Now bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until the filling is set. When you take your bars out of the oven, make sure that you let them cool completely, and then put them in the fridge until firm. While your bars are cooling, you can start on the homemade whipped cream. Using a standing mixer or a hand mixer with a bowl, pour in your heavy whipping cream, granulated sugar, and vanilla. Then whip until peaks form. You can see here that soft peaks have formed. This is pretty good, and you can use this for your bars, or you can continue mixing and get stiffer peaks for your whipped cream. Remove your bars from the refrigerator and then gently take them out of the pan. Carefully peel away the parchment paper from your bars. At this point, your bars are ready to serve, or you can cut a bit of the edges off to neaten them up. This is also a great way to sneak in a taste test without cutting into the bars yet. I cut these bars into 9 2.5-inch squares. Now we can eat these bars as is, but we can't forget about the homemade whipped cream that we made earlier. Go ahead and put a dollop in the middle, either a little bit or a lot, whichever one you choose. These key lime bars are an easy and fun dessert to serve to your friends and family for any time of the day or special occasions. Alright friends, here's the final product. Let me know in the comments section if you love key lime pie. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!